Better than one. I don't want to hear that.
It's got more tread, hasn't it?
It's got more tread on it.
I could have sold you one for 10, I'm going to sell one right now.
So the only thing you need in addition to this kit is a pair of side cutters or pliers. But I suppose most of you have probably got a set of them kicking around. Everything else you get in the kit.
Yeah. Right, so we need to go through with the sharp tool first to just sort of get the hole roughly to the right size. Relatively straightforward. Obviously if the hole's smaller, it takes a bit of force, but go through it for that. Then you go back through with this.
So that just reams it out a little bit more.
It's a spiral tool, is it?
Yeah, it's easier if you spiral it down. You can force it down.
You're
but-
actually putting a thread on. Yeah.
So you've got to find the hole to start with then?
Yeah,
Does help.
We've all done it.
No, I'm just
Once it's all reamed up, you get your little rubber. You put it in this tool, that way up.
That looks a bit like a mushroom.
See that?
Yeah. Then you force it down, and obviously it looks like it tucks inside out, so you've got to try and poke it the other way using this tool. I found if you don't do that, it won't come out properly.
It's worth pushing it in a bit further and then
So
pushing
you-
it back again from the other way.
You be fine like this.
So that mushroom you're trying to invert.
Yeah. So basically you're going to end up squeezing that mushroom through this tiny hole. Down through that way. So obviously as it goes through the hole, as when it comes out the other side of the tire, it pop out, expand, and you pull it back through that way. So once you put that in there,
We're going to just pass that around.
yeah.
So it's still a mushroom head.
Yeah.
Oh, I see. It's not inverted. So it's still away. It's still away.
It's just
Yeah.
under the lips and that sort of bottle there.
Right.
It's just literally a hole.
So the
It
mushroom's
just
still-
literally goes down.
So you get the dome stays the mushroom shape up inside that.
Because obviously, if it stays mushroom shaped, it'll slide down
Right.
more of this the correct way. Where if it's the opposite way,
Right,
you're dragging it the wrong way.
right.
This is for cars and motorcycles.
You can use it on cars, yeah. Obviously, the issue you've got is the diameter of the mushroom.
Yeah.
With that size, so it can only be something that's slightly smaller than that. If you've got a really big nail in, it's not going to be any good.
So now, when it's in the tool, what way is that? With that piece you've got there, which way is it looking? It lowers up like that, even though
It'll
it's
go in the tool like that, and then you prod it down that way.
So it inverts better the way.
It will invert that way, but you need to then pack it down that back that way.
So it looks that
So
way.
it looks that way.
Okay,
So
cool.
obviously, when you put it in, it's going to glide through the tool the correct way, and then when it pops through the tyre, it'll
Gotcha.
grip like that.
Gotcha.
So once you've loaded that up, you get the tool that you originally started off to put your hole through, and you get the tool that you've poked the mushroom in with, screw it on to this, and then you've got to put it through the hole, and you need to insert this piece into the hole, like that. Then you unscrew that.
Basically, that's what we're going to use to load the mushroom into the tyre. So that has to sit in the hole properly.
Has to go in the hole. So I'm going to now put that tool, screw that on, and the mushroom's facing down, ready to go in the hole. You get
Wow.
the Allen key that it comes in the kit,
Yeah, of course you have to turn it.
and then basically screw this down nice and tight, and then literally you just got to screw that down. And this is like a big long spike with a sort of nice curve, so it doesn't damage that on it. And then you just wind it down. Takes a bit of force towards the end, but
So that is what is going to force that mushroom through that little shaft that you put through the hole, so that it's the other side of the hole.
And then the umbrella is actually upside down then
Yeah.
inside.
Yeah.
How do you know when it's in?
You wind back until it stops. It has a stop, basically.
so that's as far as it'll go. Physically, as you're turning the Allen key, that's what it's
Physically,
turning in your
yeah,
hand.
won't be able to turn it anymore.
So you come
And
back.
it's just a dry joint, no adhesive.
Just dry.
No adhesive.
No glue at all.
No. Wind that out a bit. Then you can unscrew that. And then if you look in the hole, everyone can come and have a look. You'll see the back end of this sticking, it's just sticking through. So everyone will have a look. So,
got it.
Can this be used on?
Well, as soon as you've had a look in there.
Yeah, I was going to lower the ramp
alright. Then it's literally a matter of just pulling that out. Pull the rubber. You get your pliers and you'll pull the rubber and you'll feel this move back towards, so the mushroom.
You're going to pull it out then?
No, because of the lips of the mushroom, you'll basically pull it so the lips of the mushroom will take the form of the inside of the tyre.
I guess you need hard lips for that, don't you?
That's it. Then you pump your tyre up.
And just leave it like that.
Can you use this on a sidewall as well, or?
No. So you've got to be within.
Oh, it's only on.
The other thing to bear in mind, sorry,
Do you cut any certain...
really it can only be used in this middle section. You couldn't
couldn't go
safely
on.
put it in the
Don't
edge.
do that
It wouldn't be
pump
safe.
tyre.
Because the lower
Because you want to
Yeah.
fill the tyre for the
the
pressure.
flexing of the towel could release the.
Yeah, it'd be really unsafe
Once
basically.
it's pumped up, you literally pull it with a pair of pliers and then cut it flush. The kit comes with a
So
little
this only
plate.
works with tubeless?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Does it come with a gas
It does come with a little gas pellet. We found they weren't actually that good. So
Pretty
we
much.
would recommend carrying one of these. This is a
Oh,
Harley
yeah.
Davidson one, little compressor. Also comes with a light, so if it happens to be dark when you get your puncture, obviously that's going to be
will be.
useful. And it plugs straight into the Harley charger lead, which you've all got.
Sportsbike.com.
So,
To an Australian.
yeah.
Well, I think I got that. Is that the presentation?
I always have on my side. I always have on my side. Right, my mind is taken to the opposite side.
Oh, spoke wheel. Yeah, in a tube. Then, no. Yeah. If you have tubes, you need to take the inner tube out.
Drop box with what's his name? I can put it in the drop box.
How long is this good for?
So, the main thing to bear in mind with this is only to get you out of trouble.
Right.
It may last, quite a while, but
To keep the speed down with that as well.
yeah, definitely. But the idea is it'll get you to the nearest tyre place or dealership so that you can then get the tyre changed. But it's going to mean, basically, it's going to take the stress out of having to wait for breakdown.
Yeah.
And if you're somewhere quite remote and there's a big group of you, it means you're not going to get left behind.
Hogsback wouldn't do.
Hopefully.
I would.
Tyre's pumped up and then you literally just give it a tug, cut it off, flush with the tyre, that's it.
There we go.
That knife comes with the kit.
Comes with the kit, yeah.
Yep, you even get
It
a knife
is
with it.
extremely sharp as well.
So, if you've got that in your tyre then, would that be an MOT failure?
No, technically not.
No.